To use the Google Maps Flutter plugin, you have to be added as a dependency in your pubspec.yml file. For Android, we will going to set the min SDK version 20 and to put the map key in Android manifest file. In my app composed library video, I have shown how to be create a Firebase project and get the map key. I will put the link of this video in video description. Let's first update the mini SDK version, and you have to navigate to the Android folder. In that folder is another folder with the name with app. You can in that file you can find the build.kettle. I will open this file in Android Studio editing mode. I have updated with 20. Let's put map key metadata. In manifest file. We will be copy map key from our Firebase project and paste it in our code. First create camera position and the set target lat long at Singapore city. Set zoom level 14. Now use Google Map visit and init with the map type hybrid and the set initial camera position to Singapore. So when we have launched it, it will show Google Map and load Singapore city. Create completer of Google Map controller. In Google Map visit, there is a callback on map created. It is a callback, and that callback return the Google Map controller object asynchronously. So we will set in the completer by calling its complete method by passing Google Map controller object. Now set the another configuration for our Android apps. In that we have check the target platform. If it is Android, Then we set the user Android view surface value true. Let's run this app in Android first. In load map, and center of this map is Singapore, which is set as initial camera position. Now let's create a marker. Marker is used to mark geographical location on map. In marker class, the marker ID is required field, and in position property we will set the lat long of Singapore. There is another property, is the info window property. It will take the object of info window. That info window take the two parameter, title and snip, and that will be appear when user click on marker icon. Now set this marker in Google Map visit by setting using the marker property. It is taking the list, so you can add many marker comma separated, but in that example I have used only one marker. Now marker is placed on map. When I click on that, it will show info window with the given title and snip value. Let's zoom. Configure iOS. Open your Firebase project. Create a new credential for your iOS app. Edit the API key and add the app restriction to iOS app by putting the bundle ID. Let's copy the bundle ID. You can find this in the Android manifest file. And you can also find in this iOS folder. Open the runner.x project, and in that there is a file, the project type pbxproj file. In that you have to search the product underscore bundle underscore identifier. So you can also find that bundle ID from here. Put it on your Firebase project and save it. Copy the map key for your future use. Make sure you have the one point, you have to be make sure you have enabled the map SDK for iOS. Otherwise the map will be not loaded in iOS. Let's put the configuration settings for your iOS app. Copy this to code of line and put this your app delegate method. I have already copied the API key, so I am paste it here. Let's run iOS app. In iOS, it is look like Android. It's load the Google Map and load the center of Singapore, the lat long which I have provided in the code. We can zoom easily and navigate, pan the map easily. Let's click on the marker icon and the info window will be visible with the provided snip and title value. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.